Are you looking for the best lightweight portable chair? In this video we will look at some of the best lightweight portable chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping and Sports Chair. Bottom line for the price. The Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping and Sports Chair is one of our favorites for use around a campsite. There's nothing fancy about it, but it's well made and locks into a taut position that's firm and comfortable to sit in, far superior to cheap camp chairs that sag and bow. The dual locks seat also sits a full 19 inches off the ground, which makes it comfortably high for both tall and average-sized adults. The dual lock is really long when it's folded up, and it isn't super lightweight, but it does have convenient shoulder straps on both the chair and the case for easy transport. If you're fed up with uncomfortable inexpensive chairs that break easily, we highly recommend upgrading to the dual lock, which is often on sale and will last for years of use. Kaijaro portable camping chairs can be considered a premium product. It is a full-size chair that is very easy to set up and fold. It is also very lightweight and extremely convenient to carry when going camping. The chair uses a dual lock system that improves stability. It also has a backrest that offers improved comfort and better support. For the seat, a polyester fabric was used in order to give it strength and durability. For the frame of the chair, steel was used. It is not as lightweight as aluminium, but it is quite durable. The chair can support a load of up to 300 pounds. Like most other seats, it can be folded to take less storage space and takes only a couple of seconds to set it up. Pros: affordable, sturdy, durable, comfortable, high seat, breathable and quick drying. Small and large cup holders. Cons: bulky, long packed size. Number 2, Amazon Basics Portable Camping Chair. Bottom line, if you're looking for an affordable option, the Amazon Basics Camping Chair is a sound choice. The Amazon Basics chair is simple but unique due to its insulated cooler pocket that keeps up to 3 beverages and ice conveniently close at hand. It also has a single cup holder and a large pocket to hold a book, phone, or other small items. This chair comes in 3 style options, including a padded XL version that will comfortably accommodate a variety of body shapes. While the 2 padded models are generally a bit more comfortable, the mesh version is a bit more breathable, quick drying. The Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair with fork and cooler is incredibly similar to the Amazon Basics chair, so you might consider buying whichever chair is on sale. That said, we prefer the armrests on the Amazon Basics chair, because they're more secure and won't slide down. The seating of this folding cane chair is made according to the hip design. This chair is quite beneficial for older people, as it is made with a comfortable fit. This portable, lightweight travel walking cane seat gives assurance while traveling. The tripod design is specially created to enhance stability. The contoured legs are solid, sturdy, and stable. Pros: affordable, comfortable, padded seat and back, insulated cooler pocket, storage pocket. Cons: bulky, not breathable or quick drying, less durable than other chairs, lower quality materials. Number 3, Moonlens Outdoor Ultralight Portable Folding Chairs. Bottom line, the Moonlens Outdoor Folding Chair is lightweight, compact, and, best of all, affordable. For times when portability is key, concerts, the beach, etc., this folding chair packs down small and is very easy to carry. Obviously, the Moonlens isn't the most luxurious option for car camping since it's low and doesn't have armrests or cup holders, but if getting up off the ground is your main focus, it's a fantastic solution and is surprisingly comfortable. Though the Moonlens could be used for backpacking, it's among the heaviest chairs we'd consider for the backcountry. If backpacking is the primary activity you'll be using your chair for, you might want to check out our best backpacking chairs list, where we compare the Moonlens to other lightweight, portable chairs. Pros: affordable, ultralight, compact, low profile, good for concerts. Cons: no armrests or cup holders, low seat, takes a minute or two to set up and break down. Number 4, Trekology Yizzygo portable camping chair. I'm immediately struck by the clever space frame design of the Trekology range of portable outdoor tables. Through the excellent use of triangulation, they've managed to reduce the weight of the table, whilst providing one of the most rigid structures for an incredibly stable work surface. Though, it doesn't take too much getting used to. If you can pitch a tent, setting this table up will be a walk in the park. Once you get the hang of it, you should be able to assemble the table in a minute or two. If you're looking for an outdoor dining table, this won't be your best option. The very design that makes it so strong means that you have restricted legroom when seated at the table. As a place to put your drinks, or for a very stable cooking surface, the Trekology tables are among the best. These tables can support a weight of up to 50 pounds. That's impressive for such a lightweight design. Certainly one of the best designs for a foldable outdoor table. The aluminium tabletop and legs mean that it's as durable as they come and ultralight. I particularly like the attractive bronze coloring, and they come with a convenient carrying bag, though make sure that you pack all the connecting pieces when you're done. The plastic joiners are loose and can be overlooked. For an incredible high-quality camping table, they are remarkably cheap and wonderfully practical. Perfect for tailgating, camping and picnics. In fact, any outdoor activity will be enhanced by these very practical tables. Number 5. Sportneer Camping Backpacking Chair. Portable Sportneer portable camping chairs are a great product for the ones that need a practical model that takes very little storage space. It becomes very small when folded. The chair is also lightweight as it is just 2 pounds. Despite being so small, the chair can support a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. The fabric used has mesh sides and it is very reliable. Because it has such a low position, some might not find it as comfortable as chairs that sit higher. The frame of the chair is made from high-quality aluminium and plastic covers for the feet. Beneath the chair, a small storage pouch has been fitted. It is a zippered closure to keep everything properly stored. As far as portability goes, the chair measures just 14 by 5 inches when folded and comes with a small carrying bag. Setting it up takes just a few seconds and the frame itself will offer great stability. We recommend this because extremely compact and lightweight. Supports a maximum load of 350 pounds. Comes with a small carrying bag. Features a small storage pouch beneath the seat. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.